This question belongs to Database Management System subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 Set 1. So the question states, given the following schema. So we have employees table and departments table. Employees table have employee ID, first name, last name, hire date, department ID and salary as the attributes. And departments table has attributes department ID, department name, manager ID and location ID. You want to display the last name and hire date of all the latest hires in the respective departments in the location ID 1700. You issue the following query. So what we want? We want the last name and hire date of all the latest hires in their respective departments with the location 1700. Suppose the location is Pune. So we want in each department who are the latest hires in each department from the location Pune. We want their last name and hire date. Okay. So this is our query. So it is saying what is the outcome. It generates, it executes but does not give the correct result. It executes and gives correct result. It generates an error because of pairwise comparison. It generates an error because of group by clause cannot be used with table joins in a subquery. This option D is false. You can use group by clause with the table joins in a subquery. Now let us see the query. So what it is doing? See this part. It is doing select department ID and max of hire date. So it is finding out. First it is doing employee join department. So it's joining the two tables department and employee using department ID. So what it is doing? It is joining with the help of department ID, which means both of them should have same department ID. So we will have all these attributes in this join table and department ID will come only once with the same department ID matching. Now with the location ID 1700. So we got all people from Pune and which are joined by department ID. And then we group it by department ID. So what it will do is that with all a particular department, suppose we have a department D1. From department D1 we will get the output. For department D2 we will get one output. From D3 we will get one output. For D4 we will get one output. And these outputs will be from location 1700 such that we will give in the output we will get department ID and max of hire date. So we are using this attribute max of hire date with group by clause. So what it will do? It will give department ID and max of hire date. These two attributes will be our output, and with each department we will get what is the maximum hire date. Let us suppose maximum hire date means latest hire date, because suppose it is 12 June 1999. Then we have 13 April 2015. Then the more recent date has higher value. Thus we are selecting max of hire date. So it will give department wise what is the maximum hire date. Now this auto queries select last name and hire date. So we are selecting what we need. We just need the last name and hire date from employees whose department ID and hire date are present in this. So the employees whose department ID and hire date are matching from this inner query, we will output their last name and joining date. So this is the correct query. So correct answer is it executes and gives the correct result.